Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday, guys, and we just want to see what will happen actually next week, plus actually what happened last week, right? So before we go very quick, I can actually go for what will happen next week on the economic calendar. And what I see is on Monday we don't have actually anything. We don't have anything. So on Tuesday I see monetary policy meeting for Australia, which is not really that important. Something which is going to be important, I think, around Tuesday, 2:30, is going to be CPI for Canada and retail sales. This we might see actually gold push very nice, not other pairs actually. You should understand that. So even pairs they will move, but gold is gonna be crazy. So Wednesday we have official cash rates or interest rate for New Zealand. It's 4 a.m. On this one I can wake up, I see they're not going to increase. The estimate says they're not going to increase, so which means, yeah, we will see what we can do here. I can do something just to recover the losses. FOMC meeting around 8 o'clock. We have the meetings, guys, because next month we're going to have interest rates, because this month we don't actually have interest rates, so they're going to be next month. So Thursday we have unemployment change for Australia 3:30 early in the morning, and unemployment claims for US. Actually, we don't really have some crazy high impact news, but it's fine. So let's see what's really happening in the market, guys. I hope you're doing great. It's Sunday. I hope everyone is doing good. And for those who want to be part of the team, guys, so if you still remember, for the whole month actually we were actually running on the specials. So for now on we're trying to go back a little bit slower for whoever who wants to join. Now it's $60. You pay once and you just receive unlimited signals. You can see that you get the signals for NASDAQ, US30, S&P 500, gold, USOIL, and currency pairs, guys. So you can just WhatsApp me or check the link in the description. Then you can just talk to me there. So let's see what's really happening on the market. We are on GBPUSD on a daily time frame because it's a weekly analysis, right? So let's see. The market is still actually on a very strong bullish momentum. This is daily time frame, but you can easily see that the market was pushing up very nice, but we can easily see that the market actually gave us a sort of a crazy reversal, quite similar to here. The market was also reversing here, but here, since the market pushed a little bit higher, it shows that yes, that reversal is aggressive. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting the market to do what? To respect this support before pushing to the upside. I think you can see that. And you can see from back here, the market did not actually break the support. So there is enough chance for the market to do what? To actually respect here and push the upside. Or if maybe go down, dollar is seriously going to push. If it's going to be stronger, we will see the market pushing lower and lower. That's what I see. But let's go on a bit smaller time frame, which is going to be 4 hours, and see what's really happening on 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, actually, it's just to see things closer. It's still actually a bigger time frame. I actually use 4 hours time frame during the week. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that the market was going lower, but the market here, it was just consolidating. Let me draw that proper line there. You can see that the market gave us a ranging structure. Come on, you can see there we have a nice structure, a horizontal resistance. On the bottom it's fine because we already have this diagonal resistance. So you can easily see that the market was doing what? The market was just consolidating along the way. So we're just waiting for the market to do what? To break out of this resistance before we look for a buy. Or yeah, actually that will be a good thing, because we don't really know if maybe the market will be doing what? We don't know if maybe the market will be breaking out of this support. So for us, even if we draw a diagonal structure, the entry is still going to be far, and the market can still respect this area. So for us to be 100% safe, let's wait for a breakout, then we can say we're gonna buy. If maybe the market decide otherwise, we're going to see the market breaking out of the support area, and we're going to look for those sell positions. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. I hope you understand, and I hope you're gonna smash that subscribe button and be part of the team. So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening on USD? Euro USD, sorry. So we are actually still on a very nice uptrend. We are still on a very nice uptrend. And it was seriously aggressive. The market was aggressively pushing to the upside. So where we are now, actually, we are very, very, very closer to the support area. You can see the market is actually on the support area. It seems like the market wants to break. You can see the market was pushing up, but since here the market has been consolidating, maybe the market will be breaking to the lower side and we can start to look for a sell, or maybe the market will respect this area and start to push the upside. On a structure like this, guys, when we have this breakout, you should also check your horizontal supports area if they are there, because sometimes you can just look for only diagonal structure to find out that you actually have a support, something like this. You have to wait for the market to break that area also. Do you see that? So if the market actually breaks this support, you can see we have a diagonal one there. The market might play around just because the market actually reached this sort of a zone. So there is a chance the market can reach here and push up. But if you actually still checking the diagonal one, you might think maybe the market is already broken out, and if you sell, then the market just turn exactly where you sold, and you will think maybe the broker was watching you, and actually the broker doesn't really care much about you. I hope you understand that. So what I'm expecting here, I'm just expecting the market maybe to respect this area before we look for a buy. If not, maybe the market will be breaking out. But you know what? I will be updating you actually early tomorrow. So yeah, I got your back. You can just come here, then I will be here to update you. I think it's very clear on a daily time frame. You can see this support here. So the market can break that and touch here before pushing to the upside. Or we also have a sort of a diagonal structure that we can use, that if the market breaks, then we can actually look for a buy. But since it's Sunday, we're just going through, this is just the overall update or overview. We're still going to go deeper tomorrow when the market is starting to move, right? So let's push to the next one, which is gold. This one was giving us also a headache. But what I like here is you can easily see that the market already did what? The market already broke out. But the structure was actually on a very nice uptrend. The market was just giving us this nice uptrend. And I repeated several times, but you can see that around this area, the market decided to do what? The market decided to break out. And yeah, we can easily see that even if we go closer there, the market is out of this support. So actually, I'm expecting the market to actually push lower. But what happened here is the market was just consolidating. If you got there, the market was just going up and down. And this is what was actually happening last week. The market was actually giving some headache. It was pushing up, down, to a point where you will think maybe that week was not actually good. But what I like is the market showed us that it was breaking out of that support and it went lower. And we have this diagonal structure there. But since then, the market just broke out, pushes up. And once it pushes up, it goes up aggressively. And the same thing, once it pushes lower, it does the same thing. Actually, if you check after this breakout, it's actually a sort of a consolidation. It's actually a consolidation. So for us to stay or to say we need to sell or we need to buy, as the market broke out, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. So what I'm going to do is I have a support area here, as you can see. So for me to say I'm going to sell, let's wait for the market to break out of this zone before we say we're gonna sell, because the market can just push up again here. It's been pushing up. You can see here it pushed up, and even here it pushed up, but at the same time we can see that the market is willing to go lower as we no longer under that bullish momentum or uptrend. Or maybe the opposite will happen. We will see maybe the market respecting this zone, pushing up again. Maybe it will come again, maybe there. So that's why I say it's much better to wait, especially when we were experiencing some few losses, because the market was like seriously consolidating. So the reversals were crazy. The reversals on the market, especially NASDAQ, and also US30. Whoa, the market was moving some like seriously crazy, guys. So what's really happening here is, yes, on US30 we can easily see that the market is still actually on an uptrend. So that's why I just started it here, because this is like it's gonna be very longer. My screen, I don't think my screen will fit everything if I start to zoom very closer. So but what I like is the support is still actually valid. On top of there, we also have that resistance which the market broken out. So actually we are still very closer to this breakout. So I'm expecting the market to do what? Maybe to give us a proper reversal up to this area, 34,400 maybe, before we see a nice push to the upside. So you can see the market can do that actually, but the market has been actually trying to push lower. You can see that there are some serious moves, rejections left and right. You can see actually starting from this area up to that, you can see the wicks. Just look the wicks, guys. The market was going down aggressively, pushing up, down aggressively, and this actually is just intentional. The market just wants us to lose, guys. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. But the market is actually still on a very nice bullish momentum. So sometimes selling is good, but where we are now, the market is actually trying to push lower before pushing up. So we might sell and get out very quick. We did have some profits before on selling, but the market can reverse very quick. It's a very nice structure, you can see that, but sometimes the market just moves very quick, and at the end of the day you might actually take some few losses. We did make some profits, and another one we had some loss. I think we were buying, we're in a very nice profit, then suddenly the market just reversed and did that. But what I see is the market is actually on a resistant area. I'm expecting it maybe to actually push even lower. That's what I see, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. This one was also moving some very crazy. So guys, don't forget to join the team. Don't forget to join the team. If you want to join the team, you can just WhatsApp me. You can see my number is here, and this is what we actually offer as signals. So you pay once, then you're done. It's $60. So let's see what's really happening actually on NASDAQ. On NASDAQ, actually, you can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice bullish momentum or uptrend. But what I see here is we see that the market is reversing aggressively. So this reversal actually is now actually on top of the market actually broke out there. You can't see that. So, but the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. I thought maybe the market was going to find a zone to respect, but the market went even lower. You will see that when we go on a 4 hours time frame. So I was expecting maybe the market will push up, which I still believe that the market will still push the upside, but the market broke out actually. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and see that, right? So the market just played games with us actually. So this was like this. When you sometimes trading view, when you change the time frames, it also changes our structures. I see even here. So before, yes, we had another support inside a counter trend line. You can see that the market was respecting that. The market broke out, but now our choice was here. We had another support. So, and it seems like the market is breaking out. Let's check that. We did have a sell, guys. We did have a sell, a very nice one. Hey, the market reversed very quick. You can see that the market broke out, we had a sell, and even lower the market just reversed. You can see this structure there. So if I go maybe on 1 hour, you will see that the market was going crazy and we ended up taking some losses. So you can see that the market touched our pending order, boom, very quick, pushed up, down again, up. Now it seems like the market was going down, but I still believe that this area is actually a sort of consolidation. Maybe the market will show us whether it's going to push up. Maybe I'm talking about next week, Monday, Tuesday. We will see that. If maybe the market will be going down, it's fine. But now I'm going to say we have to place a nice structure. Let's have something like this as a support there and as a resistance here. So if the market breaks that, then we can say, you know what, it's time for us to look for a sell or a buy. Let me show you this maybe on 15 minutes time frame. You can see that on this one, it starts from here. You can see that, oh, actually the market was consolidating. The market was consolidating, but we were pushing bit lower. You see that? So for us to continue to sell, we will wait for the market to go a little bit below here before we see some sell. If maybe not, maybe we'll see the market pushing up again, then we will look for that buy, you see. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex, guys. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. The link is in the description. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.